Hi! In front of me is Nokia XR20 and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, we need to access calendar. Then tap on the month above and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. When you're done, click at the bottom right corner on this plus icon, choose event and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title to it. Misclick. You can pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also add people from your contact book. For example, add location, take notes, change color, and even set up notifications minutes, hours, or days before event. When you're done, click at Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always delete it though by tapping on it, clicking on those three dots at the top right corner, and selecting Delete. Now you need to confirm your choice by tapping on Delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!